Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today let us review the Amex Advantage O2 credit card, which is exclusive to the Philippines through BDO. It is a great starter card offering essentials lifestyle perks with a low annual income requirement and a waived annual fee for the first year. It's ideal for first-time card holders. It features 1% cashback on dining and shopping, 0.3 on all other purchases, and exclusive Amex Global Merchant access. You also get free travel insurance, contactless payments, and BDO installment options. While the cashback rate isn't the highest, the card's no-frills setup, worldwide acceptance, and tie-in with the American Express network make it a solid everyday option, especially for local spenders looking to build credit.